Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share my Warli art on bottle. So let's see the process. So I am using Scotch Brite to apply the paint. I am applying yellow acrylic paint. If you have gesso, apply that first and then color it. The yellow paint is completely dry. Now we will paint it with black color. I am using the thin brush. So guys, I choose this color because it is very unusual color. I have seen a lot of art on social media, but black Warli on yellow is not usually seen. By the way, which is your favorite social media? Let us know in the quick comment section. Mine is Instagram. I will give my Instagram link in the description. We will add as much detail as we can here because I love detail. Moreover, it makes the picture more attractive. Hey, if you like the video, please subscribe the channel and like the video. It will help me to grow up my small channel. I am not using the front part of the brush, but using the bottom edge to add small dots. Oh, that was my pet dog Kelto. He is always excited for my craft. By the way, do you have any pet? কেল্টো এই জায়গাগুলোতে হালকা কালো দাগ ফেলে দিয়েছিল। এগুলোকে এখন আমি আর্ট দিয়েই ঢেকে দেব। তোমাদের মধ্যে অনেকেই হয়তো বাংলা জানো না, কিন্তু তবু আমি যেগুলো বলছি সেগুলো যদি বুঝতে পেরে থাকো আমাকে কমেন্টে জানাও। আর যদি বাঙালি হয়ে থাকো তাহলে কমেন্টে লিখো প্রাউড বাঙালি। তো আমাদের আর্ট কমপ্লিট অ্যান্ড দিস ইজ দ্য ফাইনাল লুক। So that's it for today. Stay healthy, stay well. See you very soon in another video.